Find features that distinguish it from other brands for PHNIXGAM Mini Karaoke Machine with 2 wireless microphones. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features include advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Experience the latest in wireless audio technology with Bluetooth 5.3. Enjoy faster pairing, stronger signal stability, and wider compatibility with your devices. Dual wireless microphones for versatility, perfect for karaoke nights, online meetings, or live streaming. This speaker comes with 2 wireless microphones. Each mic delivers clear and crisp audio for professional sounding recordings and conferences. Exceptional sound quality, featuring high-fidelity audio, this portable speaker fills any room with rich, balanced sound. From deep bass to clear highs, every note comes through with stunning clarity. Portable and durable design, crafted for on-the-go convenience, this speaker is lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your bag or backpack. Its durable construction ensures it withstands the rigors of travel and daily use. Long-lasting battery life, enjoy hours of continuous music playback or conference calls with the built-in rechargeable battery. Perfect for parties, outdoor gatherings, or extended work sessions. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.